New day, new dawn.
I ain't seen Shorty in a minute. She asked how I am, I said, come.
What's going on YouTube? It's the boy VIP Craig and I'm back with another video. As you see by the title of the video, we've just came to the end of the week and we're about to do a weekly recap of the trades that I took last week. If you're new to this channel, be sure to leave a like, comment, share, subscribe and turn on the post notification bell so that you get notified the next time I drop. Welcome to the game, welcome to the team, man. Let's get this. So without any further ado, I'm gonna just show you the trades that I took this week, and I have a quick little surprise for you at the end of the video where I'm going to show you my 15k analysis or journal. I'm going to share my 15k analysis or journal and show you what really takes for you to pass the account, what you really need to do if you're in drawdown and you need to come out of drawdown. So I'm gonna show you the 15k account that I traded for 5 months. Is it November till May? So I'll calculate the months, but you can calculate for yourself. So I'll show you the account. It was a one-step account that I traded for almost 5 months or more than 5 months, trying to pass it, which is crazy to someone who wants to pass their account in 1 month, 2 weeks. So I'm gonna show you that and show you the real side of trading, man. So I'm gonna just show you the trades that I took last week and then show you the journal at the end of the video. So fortunately I managed to take my CSV. CSV is just the trading history and put it into a AI. Then the AI just created a journal for me. Even though I had my own personal journal that I created using Notion, this one will just show you the states of everything, which pair I was bested, which pairs I traded, and that's why it will also explain why I switched to trading only one pair and trading only one time frame and one session. So let's just get into this video. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, share, subscribe and turn on the post notification bell so that you're notified the next time the boy drops. Let's go.
Okay, so our week started off on the 7th. On the 7th, is it? No, on the 8th of June, and it was a Monday, right? So last week on the 6th there was NFP and then pushed the market really low. From that point we sold off to around 1.5079 on Euro USD. Then Monday I didn't get any trade because I was anticipating a reversal trade towards the 500 EMA moving average, right? So Monday I didn't get any trade, right? Then so I removed my sessions indicator just because I want the charts to be a bit clear, because if I have my sessions indicator there'll be so many colors in the chart. So I needed the market to retrace a bit towards the 500 EMA, so that's what happened on Tuesday. So on Tuesday I had a nice setup using the fair value gap right here, this fair value gap right here for my entry. So once the market came and tapped the fair value gap right here, then retraced, that's when I entered for my buy position, getting a easy 1:2.5 RR, and the market pushed quickly towards the 500 EMA. So once that was done, that was on Tuesday, right? Then on Wednesday I was expecting the market to start retracing back down to take out these lows right here. So on Wednesday I didn't get a setup because my trading session or trading times are 9 a.m. to 12 a.m. That's when I need to find my entries. If I don't find any entry at that time, then I'm not taking any trade. So as you can see right here, 9 a.m. was around here. We didn't have any bearish confirmation or any bearish way to enter the trade, even though there was a possibility that I could have used this favored gap right here, but it's not on my entry criteria. I don't like to take these entries whilst the fractal trend is still bullish. So the lower time frame trend, which is the 5-minute trend, was still bullish at this point. As you can see, we were bullish, so I needed the market to break down below the 50 SMA, then retrace to a favored gap, then we go. So between my trading times 9 a.m. to 12 a.m. I never got that. To 12 p.m. let me say, 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. I never got that, so that's why I didn't take any entry at that time. Then the market eventually broke down the 50 SMA, then it was already around past 1, so then when it retraced, it took out these highs and maybe found some support, some resistance above here to then push down, but I wasn't involved in any of that. Then the next day, on Thursday, I took a trade on Thursday. Unfortunately, it hit my stop loss, just for the same fact that I didn't put my stop above the high, this high right here. I put my stops a bit lower within that high because I was expecting the market to actually respect these highs right here. So I had my entry around this favored gap right here. Let me put an arrow. So my entry was on this favored gap right here. My entry was on that favored gap right there. Then my stops were supposed to be just above this favored gap to just above this line. That's what I used for my stop. So I put my stop just above that line, saying if we happen to close above that favored gap, we might be bullish. And another thing is the market had not really closed below the 500 50 SMA the way I would have liked, and there was no any other market condition or any low that I could have used for my entries. I just had to use this inverse favored gap, even though I don't use inverse favored gaps. So I just needed another low to take out, then the market will continue down. So that happened. That didn't happen actually until New York session. Was it now New York session? Until after 12 p.m. So right here with these lows, that's where you came and broke below those lows, then retraced to tap the favored gap, which was at the favored gap, which was at the, what do you call this, the 50 SMA, to then push down. So when this was happening, I wasn't involved in this movement and everything, so I was already down in my trading. It had already hit my stop loss. So I have a one trade a day rule, where like I take one trade a day, then I'm done. If it is my stop loss, it did hit my stop loss, then I'm good. With this trade, I almost reverse traded because I knew this was going to sell. Like it was on a Thursday and we are about to end the weekend. We have already tapped the 500 EMA, and we are hoping to push down to take out these lows. Even though it didn't eventually take out the lows, we came towards these lows right here, and then the market just pushed back up. Maybe it's because Trump dropped some news or anything, I don't know, man. Then it just pushed back up. Then Friday I didn't have any trade because it was just a consolidation day and I wasn't sure of the direction that the market wanted to take with the coming days or so. So that was my trade recap for the week, and simple as that. I only use my 50-minute time frame and I only trade Euro USD. So overall, this was a 1:2.5, then -1 RR. On this trade, I risked 0.25% to make 0.6%. Then On this trade, I risked 0.5%, which means overall at the end of the week, I didn't make any money. Just because I have my certain rules that I was following, that if I win 2 trades with the 0.25, so I had won my first 2 trades with 0.25, then the next trade I was able to risk 0.5% because I had some leverage from the money that I had made in the previous 2 trades. So once I lost this trade, which means I'm going back to 0.25, then if I win that, I go back to 0.5. If I win the 0.5 to make it maybe 1:2 or 1:1.5, then I'm increasing my risk by maybe 0.3% to risk 0.8%. Then we'll get out of drawdown, then start making profits with our normal 0.9% risk or 0.8% risk. So let me just get back to the next clip and show you my trading analysis for the 15k funded account. I never did this. I didn't do this enough to show what was happening, actually what was my overall win rate within those 100 trades. It's 106 trades, even though some of the trades were double trades, so maybe it's around 90 trades. Yeah, maybe let me just say 90 trades within those 90 trades that I took on my 15k challenge account until I got funded. So let's get into the next clip. So this is my trading performance for my 15k funded account. So what I did was I just took my CSV from my trading history on my Funded Nest account, then pasted it on the Cloud AI, and then it made this channel for me. So I didn't need to do anything, didn't need to do so much. This is just an analysis channel. So what I have here is the account started off from November, around the end of November 2025, and I passed it around 21 May 2026. So within those months, from December, January, February, March, April, May, 6 months, I managed to take 109 trades, even though some of the trades were double trades where I would maybe put 2 positions risking 0.5 to make 1%, even though I didn't do that for a lot of trades. So I'll have to maybe say I took 80 something trades to 80 to 90 trades. So this is the overview section. Then we have the trade section, simple section, and the calendar section. So I'm gonna start off with the overview. So I only needed 10% to pass this account. That's why it's saying plus $1,998.82 minus commission, which was swapping commission, which was 487. The total pips of 1,512 total pips accumulated, right? So this was just the graph of whatever happened, because when I started the challenge, I actually had a losing streak until I was around 5% in drawdown from a maximum drawdown of 6%. So this is just a quick look graph. Then we come here. My overall win rate within those trades was 46.8% with a profit factor of 1.55, which is a good profit factor. How to calculate profit factor is number of wins over number of losses. Is it? Yeah, is it? It's number of losses over number of wins. Yeah, number of losses over number of wins, I think. Then the expectancy of $18.34, total number of trades of 109 trades with a maximum drawdown of $682.76, average winning trade 110. Then we come here. So I had 51 wins and 58 losses. That's why we have what? 46.8% win rate. So here it actually shows my best streak So I had a best streak of 7 wins and then the worst streak of 6 losses. Then P&L by day of the week. So Monday wasn't a profitable day for me, which I will have to look at in the next coming trades or so, where I'll have to maybe take less trades on Monday and focus on maybe getting my trades on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, or maybe Fridays, and also less trades on Thursdays, because Monday was a losing day within those 109 trades, but Thursday was the worst day, so I have to consider that when I'm trading. So Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday was good days for me. Then for the month, I'll show you at the month section. So the first 3 months were unprofitable, then the next 4 months were profitable. So let's go to the next section, which is the trades. There's no need to look at this because it's just the simple trades history and so on and so on, the trades that I was taking, whether it was a buy, sell, and so on. Then this is the section I want to talk about, the symbols section. So it will show you the amount of trades you took on a certain pair, the win rate of a certain pair, and the amount of pips you accumulated on that pair. So Euro USD, which is the pair that I now on the trade, had 65 trades, and this is the pair that I mostly trade. So it had 65 trades, 57% win rate, with the 1,732 pips accumulated to make $2,439.30. Then there was GBP JPY, which was my next best trade, even though I took only 6 trades, then 67% win rate and made 382. Then NZD USD, also a good pair. I like NZD USD, even though sometimes it liquidates me. So NZD USD, that's what happened. I don't trade gold, that's why you see that it only had 1 trade, and within that 1 trade I was risking so much. This was like a break-even trade because it's a 15k account, and $25 on a $50,000 account is just break-even. Then we had Audi USD. I tried to trade Audi USD, then rate testing out, and I had 4 trades, 25% win rate, accumulated 2 pips, paid to trade for me. There's Euro JPY, 4 trades, 0 wins, and just about it. USD CAD. Then I have GBP USD. GBP USD, I thought GBP USD was also a good pair for me, but looking at this, no man, it wasn't a good pair for me. So this session is what you need to see, man. Like, it will show you your performance with each symbol, with each pair. And I like this section right here because that's one of the reasons why I'm now trading Euro USD alone, and I've been trading Euro USD since the mid of April, coming into the rest of May. Then this month June, I haven't traded any other pair other than what, Euro USD. Then I come to the calendar section. That's where it will break down and show us each monthly performance. So I'll start off down. So I bought this account in November, right? So in November I managed to take 2 trades, which was 0 wins and 2 losses, where I was risking less, which is amazing. I was risking 0.5%. Actually, I think I took 1 trade. Like, it will say 2 trades because maybe I risked 0.5% on each entry, so it was maybe 1 trade for this one. That's what I was talking about when I was introducing this section, where I said from those 109 trades, there are some trades where I would take 2 positions on 1 entry, on 1 setup. Then comes December, 14 trades, 6 wins, 8 losses. Then it was a bad month. December was a bad month on this account, but it was actually a good month on the 5k account, which is crazy. I don't know what happened. Then comes January, the worst month ever. January was one of the worst months ever. January I had 14 losses and 4 wins, even though the wins reduced the amount that I could have lost. Yeah, man, I only lost $179.97, which is just about 1%. But it really did a number on my accounts when I also lost on January. So this comes to show that I had 3 consecutive losing months, even though November was just 1 trade, but I'll count it as 3 consecutive losing months. Then February was a good month. I took 23 trades, 18 wins, 10 losses, positive win rate, then made that amount, which is maybe 3%, around 3%. 150, that's 300. Oh, not 3%. It's not actually 3%, because 1% from a 15k account is $150. So $150, I made around 5%. Yes, just about 5%, which was a good month. February was a good month. Then comes March. March was also a good month on this account. I made almost 3%, almost 2% here. Almost 2% on this account with 20 trades, 15 wins, 13 losses, a positive win rate. Then April was a wonderful month. I was catching 1:5s, 1:4s. Most of my trades were above 1:3. So April was a good month. I made just above 6%, maybe 7%, with 14 trades only. Then May was also a good month. That's when I passed my challenge account. So I like how this is looking. I took 10 trades and 6 wins and 4 losses, a positive win rate. I like this thing right here because it shows me my simple performance, the trades, the overview of everything that was happening, and also I can ask the AI to tell me where my weak spots were and explain my strategy. So what I'll do is what I did was I explained my strategy to the AI, to Cloud AI, and then it'll, or even Gemini, Google AI, it'll look at what you explained about your strategy, then compare it to the way you were trading. Then it will tell you were revenge trading, which is not good for your strategy. You were doing this and that, which is not good for your strategy. And these are some of the areas you need to fix on you need to maybe risk less and increase your risk to reward, etc. So this is the end of the video. This is the end of this section where I was showing you my 15k funded account performance, challenge account performance. Even though right now the account is in drawdown, we will get out of drawdown and make withdrawals. Yeah.
So if you managed to reach this part of the video, you're a real one, bro. Thanks a lot. So I'm going to be posting more consistently. This week I just didn't manage to post on Wednesday, just for the simple fact that I didn't have anything to post at that time. So I'm gonna try and find something to post during midweek, then at the end of the week, at the beginning of the week, which is Mondays, then midweek, then at the end of the week, which is maybe Saturday or Sunday. So yeah, man, don't forget to click that subscribe button and turn on the post notification bell so that every time we drop, you get notified and you're the first one to view the video, leave a comment, and I'll give you a little surprise. I'll have a surprise for someone who's been there consistently, someone who I see that they comment every video. I might give out a funded account or so. So let's just get into this journey.
Okay, bye.